In today's video, I'm going to teach you emails not showing in Gmail inbox. How to fix this. If messages seem to vanish, don't worry. Gmail usually has them. They're just being filtered, archived, or viewed in a different place. Open a web browser and log into your Gmail account so you can follow along in real time. We'll walk through the top solutions to find missing emails, starting with the most common causes and moving toward quick diagnostics that rule things out fast. First, check All Mail. Archiving removes the inbox label, so messages still exist but won't appear in your main view. On the left sidebar, click More, then All Mail. If you see the emails you're missing there, that confirms they were archived rather than deleted. Next, look at Filters and Blocked Addresses. Click the gear icon, choose See All Settings, then open Filters and Blocked Addresses. Look for any filters that say Skip the inbox, Archive, or Delete it. These rules act automatically, so delete filters that are misdirecting important messages. If you use the tabbed inbox, messages may be landing under Social, Promotions, or Updates. Go to Settings, then Inbox. Uncheck all categories except Primary, or set the inbox type to Default so everything appears in a single, predictable view while you troubleshoot. Now check Forwarding and pop/swashing IMAP in Settings. If you forward mail elsewhere, make sure the option to keep Gmail's copy in the inbox is selected. Otherwise, messages might be forwarded and removed from your main view. Use Gmail's powerful search to surface hidden emails. In the search bar, type in anywhere followed by a keyword you remember from the email. This searches all folders, including spam and trash, which is invaluable when you're not sure where a message went. If you still don't see what you need, continue with further troubleshooting inside Settings and your inbox view, taking a moment to carefully recheck each option you adjusted to confirm the changes are saved and active. Next, review spam and trash directly in the left sidebar. Important messages can end up there because of content or sender reputation. If you find anything legitimate, you'll know it was filtered rather than missing. Also confirm your Google storage isn't full. When storage runs out across Gmail, Drive, and Photos, new messages won't arrive. Freeing up space restores inbound email flow. Finally, refresh your browser, clear cache if needed, or log out and back in to force a fresh sync. Small sync issues can make new mail appear delayed. I hope this walkthrough helped you get your emails back where they belong. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.